Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Assalamu Alaikum, Namaskaram, Vanakkam and क्योंकि आज हम गुजरात की धरती पे हैं, हम सभी लोग आज गुजरात में पधारे हैं, तो यस, नमस्ते अहमदाबाद, केम छो, कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग? How are you all? Hello Ahmedabad. I like that energy from the get-go. I must say I travel a lot for anchoring events, but this is some nice energy. Could be better. Ahmedabad, how is everyone doing today? And for all those who have flown the skies and have crossed the seas to be with us here today, a big, warm welcome, a big, warm hello. My name is Anukruti Govind Sharma, and I am your host for this prestigious event, and I welcome you all to the most important conglomeration of the global entrepreneurial ecosystem, which is hosted by the one and only, yes, the one and only Global Indus Entrepreneurs. A huge round of applause to each and every one of you. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are, TiECon Ahmedabad 2026, and must I tell you, we have successfully completed 25 years of our entrepreneurial journey here in Ahmedabad. It is indeed an august gathering. Everybody, let's give it up. आप सबको पता होगा कि हम मनुष्यों के हृदय स्थान में, हमारे हृदय चक्र में देवीय शक्ति और देवीय प्रकाश का वास है. In our hearts, in our heart centers reside divine love and divine light. So what happens when we bring our hands together to form the Anjali Mudra and we say Namah Aste to each other? What happens is that the divine in me is bowing to the divine in all of you. And we all come together acknowledging each other's true nature. And we walk together with the human spirit of coexistence, collaboration and co-creation. तो क्या कहते हैं आप सभी लोग? आज की इस शानदार दिन की शुरुआत हम सभी लोग एक दूसरे को नमः अस्ते करके करें. Ladies and gentlemen, today, as we come together to journey as one towards an even stronger and an even mightier global entrepreneurial ecosystem which is armed with the values of trust, transparency, excellence, and above all, a never die spirit. आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत. आप सभी को मेरा नमः अस्ते. Please give it up for this glorious, glorious occasion, everyone. It's wonderful to see you all. It's a pleasure to be here with you all today, and I must say that this is a truly, truly gracious occasion. And before we commence, we would like to share some special moments and some special glimpses from what happened here yesterday. A beautiful golf tournament for our entire Thai family, for both the golfers and the non-golfers. I'm sure everybody had a lot of fun networking and golfing at the same time. Shall we roll? Indeed, I believe an opportunity to rest, relax, rejuvenate, and network at the same time. What a beautiful event that was. And before we move on, it is time to thank the ones who are always our backbone and who always ensure that TiECon Ahmedabad is a roaring success year after year. I would like to start by thanking our main presenting sponsor for today, the Adani Group, an Indian multinational conglomerate which is headquartered right here in Ahmedabad. Huge round of applause for the main presenting sponsor. We've also been joined by our exclusive banking partner, CSB Bank, along with our gold sponsor, NK Proteins, followed by our silver sponsors, iHub, GVFL, DivX, Bima Wale, BioKindle, along with, as you all saw, our golf partner, Reset. Time to reset for sure. We also have DEV IT Simplified, along with Window, Pura Wow, and Just Be, who are a group of our gifting partners for today. Our gala dinner sponsors that include Rajyash and ScaleAX, followed by our ecosystem partner, Wadhwani Foundation, and last but not the least, the outdoor media partner, Khushi.